Hey, I'm Fish, and thank you for joining me today on this wonderful day. I basically did everything I could do possible to help all out. But some people, they don't have an issue, and here they are. If you're happy with your DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro, very happy for you. And I'm happy for everybody else as well. Well, I'm sharing my thoughts out loud in the video, and I apologize when I hit the DJI Mic 2 with my helmet. The good, the bad, the ugly. The camera does mighty fine. The sun today, everybody wants to know where the sun is. The clouds today, everybody wants to know where the clouds are at. And the video resolution and settings. Well, my shots may be a little different than your shots, and so on. Well, today I'm going to just enjoy my camera and go for an e-bike ride. My battery's not fully charged, and I got some LED lights on besides keeping the one that's on the bike on. Well, I'm going to just get on out, go share some fun. And I find it a little bit difficult for me to hold and throttle and share all at the same time. Down below, post your comments. It goes to the world. And if the world thinks you're right, wrong, agree, disagree, you're very much entitled to criticism. And so as everybody else. Thank you for stopping by. Let's get on going. I have Mr. Pigeon here. He's right in front of me. There we go. Have a great day, everybody. Let's get on going. I said I was get on the e-bike and go for a ride. This morning, I watched a video about the Air and the X5. It interested me, and I am really thinking real hard. I'm waiting for the day for the Insta360 X5 for a price drop. And the same goes for the Ace Pro 2. Right now, there are no price drops. I want to have these cameras also in my gear for many reasons of me, my ownership, not yours. So I keep looking, I keep watching. That's what we do best. So I'm out here riding along. I'm gonna head on down. I don't want to go too far. Let's see what down the road looks like. I'm going uphill. I don't want to pedal. Move the fuck over. I'm down to like 2 bars. I think I am going to have to turn around and go on home. I'm not going to make it to where I need to be at. I'll empty this bad boy out, recharge it up. Maybe my battery just wore down over time, over the winter time. I stored it away, did everything right. Can I contact the company for a new one to have a spare one on the back? Maybe run a solar panel, get things going? I don't think so. The e-bike treated me well. I probably just need to charge it. Just going up the hill drained it out. Well, I'm happy I had a good day, a good ride, get to where I need to be at, get going, have some fun. And that's the thing about the camera. Long-lasting battery. Hours on end. Internal storage. You need external storage? You always got that. You don't want to have it external and lose the card? That's quite all right. Excellent video quality, for sure, on any day. Action sports, vlogging, low light situations, wherever you want to go. You want to do subject tracking, super night mode, slow motion, you got that as well. Camera does fine. Grab it, open up the Mimo app, put on the latest firmware, and off you go. That's all you need to do. Share your fun, share your story, share your adventure. Anybody else tells you any different, that's them. Remember, you don't live in this little box. They do. You're out doing what you love to do. They don't. They sit behind a monitor. Maybe they got a problem with their side of the story. And if they love to share it to you, they'll invite you over to their side and you can see what they're about. And I'm most sure you'll make an excellent friend indeed. Have fun indeed, like so. So what we're gonna do, start on up, get on back, get on going.
Get it?